Dear students, today we are going to discuss the second part of the structure of enzymes. In the last lecture, you stated what are enzymes. You stated what are enzymes, their definition. You stated about substrate. We stated also about what the cofactors. What are the coenzymes, prosthetic groups, and activators. I told you people in the last lecture that all the enzymes, they are the globular proteins, but only one enzyme is that one which is not protein by nature. That is actually the RNA molecule, and that is known as ribozyme. What? Ribozyme. Except for ribozyme, all the other protein molecules, they are uh, they are proteins. The enzymes are proteins. One. I told you people last time that enzymes are of two types by their structure. One which are solely proteins. For example, pepsin, that is solely a protein molecule. Okay, trypsin as well, that is solely a protein molecule. There are certain enzymes which consist of protein plus non-protein part. Protein plus non-protein part. These are the non-protein parts we have already discussed. Okay. Now, you take this this category of the enzymes as one. This is the second category of the enzymes. This is say like a dagger. Okay. You take it as a dagger. It consists of only iron. Okay, this is what the dagger, only iron. This can act, this can work, but here are certain tools which can be functional only when the non-iron part of the tool is there. For example, here is what you see, this is another tool, and this is the iron part. Okay, you can take it as what? Protein. And here is another part. This is what? It's a part which consists of wood. So if the wood is not there with the iron part, it won't be functional. Okay, so this is what the non-protein part, you can say, non-protein part. Now this is non-functional. Okay, if number 1 and number 2, 1 plus 2, they combine, they form the whole enzyme. This is what the non-protein part. protein part. This is what non-protein part. Okay, this is called what? Apoenzyme. Okay, in this case, not here. This would be the enzyme. This is called apoenzyme. And apoenzyme plus non-protein part, it forms what? The whole enzyme. What? The holoenzyme. So these are the terms which I wanted to make you people understand. What? The apoenzyme and holoenzyme. Okay, these are the terms you must know. The protein part plus non-protein part combined together, okay, and they form what? The holoenzyme. Okay, and in the last lecture, in the part 1 of the structure and function of enzymes, I told you people what is a cofactor, or what is the relationship between a cofactor and coenzyme, and what is prosthetic group, and what is activator. I told you people all about that in the first part of this lecture. Now, I think it must be clear for you people regarding the structure of enzymes. The next comes in the next lecture. We are the next part of this lecture, I should say. We'll discuss the relationship between what the enzymes and the substrate. One second. We'll also discuss about the inhibitors. What are the inhibitors? We'll discuss in the next lecture, inshallah.